Ever wondered if there was a way to truly own your digital assets without a central authority breathing down your neck? A place where privacy isn't just a buzzword, but a fundamental design principle? If you've been dabbling in the world of cryptocurrency, you've probably encountered countless platforms, each with its own promises and pitfalls. But what if I told you there's a lesser-known gem that prioritizes your financial sovereignty and confidential transactions above all else? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Beam, a cryptocurrency built on the Mimblewimble protocol, and more importantly, how you can set up your very own Beam wallet to start your journey into truly private digital finance. In an age where every click and every transaction seems to be tracked, Beam offers a refreshing alternative, a place where your financial details remain yours and yours alone. This isn't just about another crypto wallet, it's about reclaiming your financial privacy in a digital landscape that often feels anything but private. So, let's get down to business. Creating a Beam wallet is surprisingly straightforward, and I'm going to walk you through each step, ensuring you're up and running in no time. First things first, you'll need to head over to the official Beam website. Be extremely careful here, always double-check the URL to ensure you're on the legitimate site and not a phishing scam. Once you're there, look for the download section. Beam offers wallets for various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, as well as mobile versions for iOS and Android. Choose the one that's right for your device. Once the download is complete, proceed with the installation process just like you would with any other software. Follow the on-screen prompts, agreeing to the terms and conditions, after you've read them, of course. After installation, open the Beam Wallet application. You'll be greeted with an option to either create new wallet or restore wallet. Since we're setting up a new one, select Create New Wallet. Now comes the crucial part, securing your wallet. The application will generate a 12-word seed phrase. This phrase is your ultimate key to your funds. Write it down, meticulously, on a piece of paper. Do not take a screenshot. Do not store it on your computer or phone digitally. This seed phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if something happens to your device. Store it in a safe, secure place, perhaps even in multiple secure locations, physically separated. Think of it as the combination to your digital vault. If you lose it, your funds are gone forever. After you've carefully written down your seed phrase, the wallet will ask you to confirm it by re-entering some of the words. This is to ensure you've copied it correctly. Take your time with this step, accuracy is paramount. Next, you'll be prompted to set a strong password for your wallet. This password will encrypt your local wallet file, adding another layer of security. Make sure it's a unique, complex password, a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And just like your seed phrase, do not forget it. Once your password is set, your Beam wallet will be created and ready to use. You'll see your wallet address, which is what you'll share with others if you want to receive Beam. The interface is intuitive, allowing you to easily send, receive, and view your transaction history. And there you have it, your very own Beam wallet, empowering you with confidential transactions and true ownership of your digital assets. It's a small step, but a significant one, towards a more private and secure financial future. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.